In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and turn off parental controls here in Fortnite. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get started, you're actually going to want to go ahead and exit out of Fortnite and go ahead and open up a browser on a secondary device. Now, I'm on PC, so I'm just going to use my PC. But if you're on mobile, you can do this as well. But essentially, once you have your browser open, go ahead and search up epicgames.com. For some reason, I just searched up Epics, but that's fine. Essentially, open up epicgames.com, and in the top right, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you do sign into your account, select your account name, scroll down a little bit and see this little account section and go ahead and open it up. From here, scroll down and what you're looking for on this option is going to be the parental controls, which should be under this redeem code section. Go ahead and select this and enter in whatever your PIN might be and then hit continue. Now, for some reason, there's not a single button that completely turns parental controls off. Even if you do contact Epic Games support, they won't fully remove it from an account. However, what you can do is disable every single parental control setting, which basically makes it function like they're turned off. So under the Epic Games payment section, go ahead and scroll down, just turn this off. From here, go ahead and make sure you're set to unrated. Go into social permissions, turn it off, put it to everybody, set the text chat to everybody as well. Time moments, just go ahead and make sure this is turned off. Time reports, turn it off. Email preferences, turn it off. And finally, for Fortnite settings, go ahead and make sure it is set to teen and turn allow creative mode and Unreal Editor on and turn off filter out mature language in Epic text chat. As soon as you do that, your parental controls will be disabled and you'll be good to go. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.